Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed, and this is a spanner design, and this is a very useful and helpful this part, and this 3D body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this spanner design is a help of a 2D drafting, and 2D drafting is also available here. And this is a top view, and this front view, and this is a right view. Okay, all view is drawing here. Okay, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view is easily you can see here, and this is a final product is a spanner design, and all dimension in millimeter, and all is thickness and all is length is available here. Okay, this material is used here nickel, and this is a scale is 1:1, and size is A3. Okay, and this product is a design easily and clearly, and this final product is a spanner, and this fillet is a 0.5 millimeter, and this body is looking perfect, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also okay. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is important you can see here, and document property and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, at first this is a 2D drafting is at first drawing a this length is this center to center length is 104 millimeter. Okay, and this is a both side is a ellipse is drawing here, and this ellipse is a major axis is 32 millimeter, and this minor axis is 26 millimeter. Both side is same, and this angle is 180. This angle is 18 degree. Okay, and this length is 6 millimeter, and this length is this thickness is 3.5 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and drawing a construction line. A center line is draw a origin. Okay, and a line at this dimension is 104 millimeter is correct. Okay, and use a ellipse, and both side is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this also ellipse is drawing here, and this is a this. Okay, and align this distance to this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and this minor axis is a okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and again this major axis is a 32, and minor axis is a 26 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select a line is not increase. Again draw a center line and connect to this. Okay, this is a increase some line because this is a very help of this line is create here, and both is a this is a horizontal. okay, and again connect, again click a center line and connect to this point to this, and again this center point to this. This is a very important, and this is a very useful and helpful this okay, this is a connect to this to this. Okay, all construction line drawing here, this is a this construction line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and this is a 18 degree. Okay, align this angle distance is a 18. Okay, this is a fully defined, and this align angle is a 18. Okay, this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, and select a, okay, this is a perfect, and this line is a 9 mm, and this 9 mm, and this line is a 7.5 mm, and this radius is a 10 mm, and this radius is 11.5 mm. Okay, and this use a offset is a, this is a 9 mm, and both bidirectional is perfect, and click this. Okay, this two line is created here. Okay, and this thickness is, this length is 9 mm, and click this 3-point arc and connect to this point to this, and this arc is this. Okay, and this radius is 11.5. okay, this is a 11.5 is correct. Okay, and use this trim entities, and this delete here, and also this delete here, and this and to this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a same offset, and then use a 7.5 mm and bidirectional, and click this. Okay, click OK. Use this 3-point arc and connect to this point to this. This is a arc is created here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 10 mm, because this help of a 2D drafting. Okay, this radius is 10 mm, and this radius is 11.5 mm, and this is a, this distance is a 7.5 mm, and both side, and this 9 mm both side. Okay, and again use a trim, and all extra portion is delete here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select a offset is a, this is a, okay, and this is a offset is this 6.8 mm is both side, and this cutout is 3.5 mm. Okay, and use a select chain and bidirectional is click, and this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some extra portion is also trim here, because this trim and this trim, and okay, this also trim here, because this is extra is created here. Okay, and this portion is delete here, and also this and this and this. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And align a dimension, and this dimension is a 6.8. Okay, 6.8 is perfect. And also this is a 6.8 is perfect. And all is a fully defined, because all is black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect. And use a extrude boss, and this and this select here, and use a mid plane, and this thickness is a okay, this thickness is a 6 millimeter, and this thickness is 3.5 millimeter. This thickness is 6 millimeter. Okay, okay, and again click this and extrude boss this, and use a mid plane, and this thickness is 3.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and some use a fillet. Okay, all is perfect. And this fillet is 36 millimeter, and this fillet is 31 millimeter. Okay, use a fillet command, and 36 millimeter fillet is upper side, this to this. Okay, okay, and below side is a lower side is a 31 millimeter, and this to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And some fillet is also, this is a 0.5 millimeter, and use a this to this, and also this to this. Okay, this to this. Click OK. All is perfect. Okay, and some okay, and use this face sketch, and use a convert entities. Okay, and some use this cutout, and this fillet is a 2 millimeter, and this cutout is this thickness is 1 millimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter is not so here, but 1 millimeter is thickness. Okay, and use offset. Offset is select chain, and bidirectional is click this. Okay, okay, this is a 3.5. okay, this is a perfect. Use a 3.5 is a cutout. This is a 3.5 is cutout. Okay, this is a perfect. And click OK. Identical counters in the same sketch are not allowed. Okay, this is a correct. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut, this select a counters. Counter is this, and this thickness is 1 millimeter is correct. And click OK. And also this fillet is used here, and this fillet is a select a this all corner is select here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. click OK. Okay, and again select this front plane, because this is a mirror, and mirror is this. Use this cutout and press a control button and this, click OK. Both side is mirror is perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, and apply a material. Material is nickel. Nickel is this, and isometric. Okay, isometric is perfect, and this body is drawing here. Okay. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, this body is a important design, and this is a wing nut design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, today discuss here all 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is right view, and this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this body is a wing nut design, and this is isometric view, and this body is a 2D drafting is also, and this is a top view and front view, and this right view. Okay, this is a help of this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is looking perfect, and this body is very helpful. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is looking perfect, and so nice looking here, and this thread is also available here, and this thread is a M7 multiply 1, M7 size 7 millimeter, and this is a size M7, and pitch is 1 millimeter, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, this body is designed. How to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, and at first select a part, and some setting is a very important. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this plane is white. Okay, all is perfect, and this 2D drafting is a okay. At first drawing this 24 millimeter, this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a 16 millimeter, and both side is a upward and downward. This is a 16 millimeter, and this back side is a 24 millimeter, and use this lofted boss and create this body, and this cutout is a 10 millimeter, and use a thread. Okay, at first select a plane is top plane, and this is a plane is created here. Okay, and this length is 16 millimeter. Okay, this length is 16 millimeter, this is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and at first select a top plane, sketch, drawing a big circle, and big circle is 24 millimeter. Okay, this is a 24 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a correct, and exit, and select this plane, sketch normal, and again select this circle is drawing a small, and this align a dimension. This diameter is a 16 millimeter is perfect, and exit. And both circle is drawing here. Okay, and both circle is drawing here easily and clearly, and use a lofted boss. And at first circle is automatic, this profile is select here, and next circle is select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, and click, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is drawing here, and click OK, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. And this cutout is a 10 millimeter, and drawing a circle and align this dimension, and this diameter is a 10 millimeter is cut out, and cutout is a through all, and extrude cut is apply here, and use a through all. Okay, through all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this body is looking perfect. And next is use a thread. Thread is very important, and use a thread, and thread is this, click this. Okay, and apply this, and offset is a 3 millimeter, and direction is okay. This is a perfect. And guys, this is a very important point is discussed here, and this offset is 3 millimeter is direction is reverse direction, and this length is 20 millimeter, and metric type is very important, and size is M7, and pitch is 1. Okay, M7 multiply 1, size is M7, and pitch is 1 millimeter. And okay, all is this cut thread is okay, and this use a right-handed thread. Okay, all is perfect, and this thread is apply here, and this thread is activated this thread, and thread is very nice looking here, and material is apply here, and use a chromium plate. Okay, and this body is looking also okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, next is okay, next is use here this is this wing is created here, and this length is 18 millimeter, and this distance is 20 millimeter, and this circle is drawing here, and this red diameter is 17 millimeter. Okay, at first select a right plane and sketch normal. Okay, and at first draw a center line, and drawing a midpoint to this origin point, and click OK. And this is this select a line edge, and use a convert entities. Okay, and at first drawing a circle is this circle is drawing here, and this align a dimension, and this dimension is a 17 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this distance is a this to this. Okay, and this distance is a this to this is a 18 millimeter, and this to this distance is a 20 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is created here, this to this. Okay, automatic select a tangent, and next is a next line is click here, and this to this. Okay, and also use this to this is a tangent. Okay, and trim, use this is a cutout. Okay, this wing is created here easily, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, and use a mirror, and mirror is a this all is select here and click this about this. Okay, and this wing is also created here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is better, and apply a extrude boss and select a mid plane, and this thickness is 5 mm because this thickness is 5 mm is correct, and click OK. This wing is also perfect, and some is hole is this space is created here, and okay, and sketch and use a convert entities and extrude boss. Extrude boss is 1 mm is correct. Okay, this is a fulfill, and also use this sketch and convert entities and use a extrude boss, and 1 mm is perfect. Okay, this is a, and some use this body is extra, but this body is cut out, and select this face, sketch and use convert entities and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, okay, this is a 5 mm, direction is downward, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and flip side to cut, click OK. Okay, not all is cut here. Okay, all is perfect. And next is use a, this is a very important point is discussed here. 1 mm and 1 mm, this is a correct, but this fillet is 1.2 mm and both side is correct fillet, and use a fillet is a 1.2 and select this first, second, and use this is a this to this, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this click okay, and this edge is select here, and okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and click this to this, and 0.5 is better. Okay, 0.5 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is this is a correct, and next is all is perfect, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a, and also fillet is used here, and this is a 2 mm, and select this to, okay, 1, okay, 0.5, okay, and click a fillet. Fillet is a 0.2. Click this to this. Okay, and some important point is discussed here, and this fillet is used here, and this fillet is a K, and this is a 4 is better. Okay, some point is a okay, this fillet is a both okay. Okay, this is a undo is back side, and also create this extrude boss and use a okay direction is downward, and use a flip side to cut, and this is a okay. And next is at first select a fillet. Fillet is this is a 1 millimeter, and select this okay, and this is a this to select this and this, and 2 millimeter is better. 2 millimeter is also 1.2 is 1.2 is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And next fillet is used here. 1.2 is select this and this and this, all 4 edges select here and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. And use again fillet, and fillet is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a select here this first and second, and okay fourth, and this is use a fifth and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. This is a better, and all is perfect, and this is a correct. Okay. Okay guys, all point is discussed here. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design. And this is a beautiful this product is very nice looking here, and this product is a exhaust manifold with threads. This is a exhaust manifold design and with threads is also available here. And okay, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and 2D drafting is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all detail is mentioned here one by one, and all dimension in millimeter. And pipe fillet, this is a fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and threads details is also available here. This length is 92 millimeter, pitch is 6 millimeter and size is M72 and offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, today discuss here all point is discussed here one by one, and this is a all detail is mentioned here, and this is a final product is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this product is a this is a looking very nice, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a so nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. All is this is a this is a whole is also size is correct, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is designed to discuss here one by one, all point is learn here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is discussed here. This is a plain white is correct, and this is a going to document property, and going to image quality. Image quality is very high because this all geometry is looking perfect and correct. Okay, at first drawing this body, and this body is this pattern is used here. This pattern is length is a this two center point distance between 120 millimeter, and this is a 4 pattern, and one is drawing here. This is a this center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this angle is very nice and very useful, and this a small circle is diameter is 17 millimeter, and big circle is radius is 16 millimeter, and this cutout is all cutout is 72 millimeter, and this big circle is radius 52 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and this is a and this is a use a front plane, and some reference line is drawing here, and reference line is drawing this. And again this center line is drawing here this, and two line is very important, and select this line and this center point and use a coincident. Again select this line and use a center point and use this is a midpoint, and this is a very nice. And again a smart dimension is used here, and this angle is a 38 degree is very important. This is a perfect, and drawing a two circle, big circle is this, and two circle is small circle, and this drawing to this, and this circle is this. And select press a control button and select both, and use a relation is equal. Select this, and use a line and connect to this, and again select a line and use this to this. And again select a line and this to this, connect here, and all connection is a all is a tangent. Tangent is very important, because this is a not tangent here, and then use a this use a tangent, but select this point to this point is use tangent, and again select this both is select tangent, and also this use a tangent. This already is tangent here, and all is perfect. And mention dimension, this is a and this center, this distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this radius is 52, means diameter is a 104 millimeter, and this big circle is a 16, means diameter is a 32 millimeter. Okay, 104 millimeter, and this is a use a, okay, this is use a this delete here, and also this is use a 32 millimeter. Okay, and this distance between two center is use 136 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is a fully defined because this is a perfect, and some trim command is used here, and some extra portion is trimmed because this unwanted. Okay, this is not used here, and this also trimmed, and this also trimmed. This is a correct. And use extrude boss, and this thickness is a, okay, this thickness is 10 millimeter, and this thickness is 16 millimeter. Okay, this use a blind, and use a thickness is 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this face use here, and use a normal, and use a big circle drawing here, and both side is a use a this to this, use here this, and both select this to this and use a equal, and this diameter is a 72 millimeter, and this diameter is a, this diameter is 17 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is very, very important, and use a cutout. Okay, this is a perfect, but all is, this is a use a one body is clear design, but use a pattern, and this is a use of 4, pattern is 4, and this body is 4. Okay, and select this face, sketch normal, and use a reference line, and reference line is very, very important because this use a pattern, and this line is a horizontal. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and use a linear pattern because this line is a horizontal, and use a this, and this distance is a 120 millimeter. Okay, because this to center distance is a between two center distance between 120 millimeter is perfect, and this use pattern is used here a 4 pattern, and this distance is 120 millimeter, pattern is 4, and use a bodies, and click this body, and direction is a reverse direction, and use a this, and click OK. Okay, and this line is a hide, and isometric view. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is use here, and next is a this, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a pattern also use here, and this circle is big, diameter is a 130 millimeter, and this center to distance is a 160 millimeter is drawing here. Okay, and one point is very, very important, this point is a 178 millimeter, this is a direction is upward. Okay, this is a downward direction. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a top plane, and a line is plane is created here, and this distance is 178 millimeter, and direction is flip side downward, and click OK. Okay, and this is a, and also this plane sketch normal, and at first drawing a line, a center line is drawing here, and this connect to this point to this. Okay, and again select a center line, and select a midpoint, and use a this to this. Okay, and this plane is hide because all is looking perfect, and this circle is drawing here a this point. Okay, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is diameter is 130 millimeter. Okay, this is delete here and use a, this is a 130 millimeter, and this distance is a, this to this point distance is a 160 millimeter. Okay, and this is a very nice 160 millimeter is perfect. 160 millimeter and 130 millimeter, and this thickness is a, okay, this thickness is a 17 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 17 millimeter. Okay, and both is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a blind, and use a 16 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and also this sketch normal and drawing a circle is this, and this circle is cut out, and use a 72 millimeter is cut out is perfect, and use a extrude cut use a through all, and click OK, and again select this sketch normal and drawing a center line, and this center line is very important because some use a pattern, and again select a, click, draw a circle, and circle diameter is a 14 millimeter, and this distance to this is a, use a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and also this is perfect because this is a pattern, use a 14 millimeter, and this 52 millimeter is correct. Okay, this use of 52 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use extrude cut is a through all, and click OK, and use a pattern is select a circular pattern and select this. Okay, click here, and this is a this edge, and also select this and use this pattern and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a correct. And next use a 3 line is drawing here, a 3D line is drawing here, and this pipe is connected to this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and this is a perfect sketch, and 3D sketch is drawing here, and select, click a line is a, this is a, okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a drawing here this also click here, and select this center to drawing here, not a middle. Okay, this is a perfect, and click press a tab and use this vertical line is perfect. Vertical line is correct, and also click a line and connect to this line to this, and this use a very nice looking here. Okay, and some geometry is draw. Okay, this is length is 114 millimeter, 114 millimeter, and this length is 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this length is a 114 millimeter, and this length is use a 54 millimeter is correct, but this line is a not center and connect to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a, and some use a fillet is a, this use a pipe fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and use a fillet is a 98 millimeter, and use this, and also 68 millimeter and use this, and both fillet is used here and perfect. Okay, and exit this path is drawing here, and again select this face sketch, and this profile is also this, select this edge and use a convert entities and click OK. Both is profile and path is drawing here easily. Okay, use a swept boss and profile is automatic, select here and click a path. Okay, this is a perfect pipe is this preview is showing here and click OK. This is a perfect and okay, and again select a sketch, 3D sketch, and drawing a line, and the line is this, and select this circle, and this circle is okay, this circle is this center point, and use a tab, and this is use this perpendicular line. Okay, this is not mentioned here, and this line is delete here. This line is vertical line, and select this, and this line is a vertical line. Okay, this line is this line is a vertical line. Okay, and again select this. Okay, this is perfect, and use okay, this vertical line is this. Okay, and connect to this line to this. Okay, and perfect. Okay, this is okay, perfect, and use this. Okay, this is use this length is 114 millimeter. Okay, and this length is 54 millimeter is perfect, and okay, and this point is this drag here and connect to this center, and this center is perfect. Okay, and this is a drag here, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and also use a fillet is 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, this path is drawing here easily, and also exit and click this face sketch, and this use a convert entities, and this profile is also drawing here and click OK, and use a swept boss, and this profile is drawing here, and path is also drawing here, and select this path. Okay, path and this profile is both is click here and click OK, and this body is drawing here, and then next two is this body is copy here easily. Okay, and also 3D sketch is drawing here. Okay, and select okay, this is this circle is okay, drawing a center line, and center line is this circle is okay, this is a correct, and this is a vertical line. Okay, and use also horizontal line and correct. Okay, okay, not better, but this line is delete here. This line is use again, select a center line and connect, and this to this, and not use here, and press a tab, and tab button is a okay, this use a okay, okay, this line is a use a curve, but curve is not mentioned here. Use a line is a okay, okay, this use a tab. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, this line is a correct, but select exit and use this plane is created here, and this plane is use this line and click this line and click OK. This plane is create here easily, and use a mirror is this, and automatic this plane is select here and use this line, and swept boss base is to first is, and again select is this, both is select here, and this preview is showing here, click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is a correct, and both is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and cell command is use here, and cell is one thickness is 1 millimeter, and select this and all is 1 by 1 is select here, and this to this and click OK. Okay, all is this is a hollow, and okay, all is looking perfect. And okay, and next is use here okay, this is perfect, and this use this length is 96 millimeter is, and this diameter is 80, and select this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this. Okay, center point is select here, and this circle is drawing here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 80 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is thickness is a 96 millimeter. Okay, and use a thin feature, and thin feature is a direction is a okay reverse, this is a inward direction, and this is a looking perfect, and click OK. Okay, and this use a 96 millimeter. Okay, and use a fillet is this, use a 1 millimeter is perfect, and use a this 1 millimeter and click OK, and again select a okay, but this not mention here of this fillet is delete here because okay, this is delete here, and select here a fillet is used here 1 millimeter, and select this face and also this and click OK. Okay, this is a looking perfect. And next is use a thread is used here. This is a 92 millimeter, and this offset is 6 millimeter, and okay, this use a pitch is 6 millimeter, and size is 72 millimeter. Okay, and use a thread is this, use a select this. Okay, offset is used here 6 millimeter, direction is outward. This is a perfect, and this 92 millimeter, and use a metric to die, and this M72 multiply 6 means size is M72 size, and this 6 millimeter is pitch, and also this cut thread is also perfect, and right handed cut thread is perfect. All is looking perfect, and click OK. Okay. This active process is some little late. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this thread is used here, and some black color is mentioned here because this is a perfect. Okay, and material is apply here, and material is this, use a nickel, and nickel is a this, and okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and sum, and okay, this is a sum. Use a chamfer is 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter, and one by one and use a chamfer is a, this is a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle. This use this and click OK, and again select this chamfer is used here and select this, click OK, and OK, this is a perfect, and again select a chamfer is this, and this is a multi is not used here, one by one is perfect, and select this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and also fillet is used here, and this fillet is a 1 millimeter, and this select this and select this both side and click OK. Okay, and also fillet is used here, and click this face and click this. Okay, okay, and again select a fillet this face and use this face and click OK, and the last this, click this face, and this face is also this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and isometric is also better, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and this front view is also better. Okay, okay, and use this. Okay guys, all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, thank you.